In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to use the Cubase Tempo editor to make changes to the Cubase project tempo and to insert time signature changes within your music. Look at the Cubase project here. It consists of 32 bars of a basic 8-bar drum pattern repeated 4 times. Have a listen to the first 8 bars. Let's now imagine that we want to make changes to the tempo of the drum pattern throughout its duration. First of all, let's make sure that in the transport bar, the tempo track is turned on. So click on the tempo track button so that it goes white, and now go to the project menu and select the tempo track command. You can also open this by pressing Ctrl and T on the computer keyboard. We just hide the transport bar. Within the tempo editor, you can see tempos displayed on the vertical axis and time displayed in bars and beats on the horizontal axis. This means that we can insert tempo changes at bar positions. There's 2 ways to insert tempo changes. Firstly, choose the pencil tool and select the jump command. You can now click with your mouse and insert a new tempo at specific bar positions. When playing back, Cubase will now jump from one tempo to another. If I want to create a gradual change in tempo, I choose the ramp settings, and I can now draw in a ramp which defines a gradual tempo increase or decrease. Basically, I draw in a start point and end point for my tempo changes, and Cubase draws in a line to join these 2 points together. We now close the tempo editor and return to the project window. We can look at the transport bar and see changes in tempo displayed within the tempo track area. Here's the first jump to 129. Here's the second jump to 141. And now we can see the gradual increase and decrease as it follows the ramp. And so forth. So we have the tempo varying throughout the duration of the Cubase project. Another feature of the tempo track is the ability to insert time signature changes. Let's open the tempo track again. And now if we look at the top of this editor, we can use the pencil tool within the time signature area of the tempo editor to draw in new time signature changes. Simply click here at bar 9 and use the time signature setup box to change this to 2/4. If I want to insert a second time signature change at bar 13, I can click and then make changes. This is how to insert time signature changes for your Cubase project and how to create a tempo map. Provided that you have the tempo track turned on in the transport bar, Cubase will take all of its information in relation to tempo and time signature changes from the tempo track and allow you to shape and manipulate the tempo and time signature of your music.